Okay, so very welcome back once again, and this time we are going to show you the digital multimeter. As you can see on your screen, I have got this DMM in short. You see that these are the two leads, black one and the red one. Black one is inserted in this one, COM, and the red one is inserted in this one, milliampere, voltage, ohm, diode, and the buzzer. So all these symbols are indicated to us. Now these are different settings, but the purpose of this module is to explain you how we can actually use the multimeter when you have recently purchased it. So I placed an online order for this multimeter and it is available to me now, and but the problem here, or the issue that I see here is I try to switch it on, but you see that nothing comes on the screen, the LCD display. That is it here. Here it is the off position basically, and then if I switch it somewhere, it should show me something right over here. Obviously I will use the leads later for the connection. So what could be the reason that it is switched off? I want it to be on. The leads are connected. Something should come here. So let us flip it back, turn it back, and if you can see, this needs a 9-volt battery. So it is likely that inside this there is no battery available, right? So we need to open this because it is newly purchased DMM, and after opening this case, you want to inspect whether there is a battery inside. It appears that it is quite lightweight and there is no battery available. So this is a stand where you can just place to your multimeter. You can see now how nicely you can actually place it. You can see now, okay, and that's how you will do it. So first task is to just, let us see, we just try to open this from this. There is a small screw here, so you can't open this without a screwdriver. So let us find a screwdriver, open this case and put the battery inside if it is not there, and then try to see if the multimeter is now on or not. Okay, so I have got this screwdriver now, and I'm trying to see whether I'm able to open this case of this multimeter. So let me do that right over here, and yes, I can see that I'm able to open this. So I have just tried to put in there, and it's very easy for me to just have a right screwdriver. With the right screwdriver, I can see now the screw is coming out quite easily, and with the hand now, once it is out, no, not yet, so I have to do it more anti-clockwise, and now I can see, oh, still not there. Oh, it's done. Okay, so you can see the screw is out. I keep it, and now I try to see how this case can come out, and as expected, the case is opened and there is this battery needs, as already explained to you, we need a 9-volt battery. Now you have to identify which one is the positive and the negative. So the red one is this side and the black one is this side, and you need to find appropriate battery now. So you don't really have to worry about this positive and the negative pins because the battery will fit only in this. You can see the different sizes here are there, so battery will only go in this one, but you don't want to connect a negative 9 volt. You instead want to connect a positive 9 volt to the multimeter to turn it on. So let us find the battery now, and we'll do that. So here you can see I have got this 9 volt battery right over here. It's already in the packet. This is called super heavy duty zinc carbon, something like that, but I am happy with as long as it is telling me that it is a battery of 9 volt. It can be used to power up a clock, power up the torch, or some bulb on the ceiling of your house or something. So let us try to open this. Okay, let's try to open this, and then our job is to place this battery inside this. So let us do that. So here is this battery that I am trying to just open up and see what it gives me. And I see now. Let me do that. Okay, so you have to be careful, and you can see now the battery is coming or not. So okay, so it's not easy. You need a scissor to cut it or something like that. Okay, and now I have managed to take this battery. Now you have to understand this battery is like this, and these two pins are like this. So how it would go, you have to find out. Will it go like this? No, you have to turn it, because this will go here and this will go here. Try to just connect it. And are you able to connect it now? But before that, you have to ensure this switch is off. You have to place this in the off position. Okay, so with that, come back to the flip side and try to put your multimeter. You have to just connect the battery. Okay, I just pressed it. Once that is done, you can just place it. Once that is done, you can just do this, and then next job is to just place your screw here back. But before that, let us ensure the battery is properly placed. It looks like it is properly placed, and then you have to do that. So place the screw now, and have a screwdriver. Okay, so you have to be little careful. It's coming out. Let me do that. Now you see I try to fix it here slowly with this. Don't push too hard. This I think is enough. And once that is done, the battery is there. Now let us see. You got the leads, there is a connection, and see whether it is showing some display. Very good. Your multimeter is turned on. You see now, whatever the knob you want to do, you will do it. So how about doing some short circuit test, for example? In our earlier module, we have explained you how to use this buzzer setting. You see there is the diode symbol, and there is a buzzer or siren. So it allows you to do a short circuit test. Or let's say you have these two leads, and if you connect these two together, there should be a buzzer sound coming out of the multimeter. Let us do that. Yes, and there is a light also. You can see that there is a light as well, and perfect. So it shows there is a short in the circuit that you will test. So we have successfully managed to install the battery inside our newly purchased DMM, and hope you found this module useful. When you buy the new multimeter, your job is to first ensure that the new battery is placed inside if it is not supplied with the multimeter. Okay, and then for that we showed you what battery to use. We showed you how to use the correct terminals of the battery. Make sure you don't switch the terminals while connecting the battery. Positive should go to the positive lead, negative should go to the negative lead. If we do the reverse, inside there must be over voltage protection circuit also, or there is some circuit inside that may prevent your multimeter from damaging if you just connect minus 9 volt instead of plus 9 volt. Now you got the 9 volt correctly placed, but by mistake if you do so, the multimeter should be equipped to reject that. Okay, I hope this multimeter has that circuit. By mistake it may happen that you connect minus 9 volt, you just swap the terminals of the battery and it goes to minus 9 inside. So in that case multimeter should be enough, but don't do that. Be careful, connect only 9 volt. So hope you found this model useful. If you did so, share it with others. Till then, wish you happy learning and stay tuned for more engaging electronics hardware content like this. See you next time.